In this video, you will learn how to use bar and bubble charts to visualize and compare material properties. A bar chart in Granta Selector has a numerical attribute on only one axis. A bubble chart has attributes on both axes. In Chart Select, select the data table to use. We will create a chart of Young's modulus against density. Click Chart Index, and add Young's modulus to the y-axis. Click OK to view a bar chart. To change this into a bubble chart, click Chart Settings to reopen the dialog. Switch to the X-axis tab and add density, then click OK. To group together records of the same material family, click Show Family Envelopes. You can label records, or envelopes, by clicking and dragging.